Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Strongest Battlegrounds and want to take your gameplay to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the official Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server and connect with other players, get the latest updates, and maybe even find some new teammates. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below if you've already joined the server. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's get started. For joining the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server, follow these steps. Launch the Discord app on your computer or mobile device, or go to the Discord web app. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar, then select Join a Server. Paste the invite link in the provided box and click Join. You will find invite link in description this video. Most servers will have a rules channel where you can read guidelines. Make sure to follow them. If the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server uses Bloxlink for verification, follow these steps to verify your account. First, make sure you're in the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server and have access to the hash verification channel. In the server, there will likely be a message from Bloxlink with instructions on how to verify. You'll find a link provided by Bloxlink. Click that link to start the verification process. After clicking the link, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Discord account. Once you sign in, Discord will ask for your permission to authorize Bloxlink to access your Discord account. Click Confirm. After successful verification, you should have access to all server channels and features. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.